Psycho! Saan punta? Hindi ko nakita eh. Taas mo na nga. Binubuking.
Pinanood ko siya dahil gusto ma-feel yung monstrosity, gentleness, and toughness ng bawat football players. Amen.
Gay!
Gay!
Airplane.
So mag-training. Sana all pwede mag-training.
May camera dumadaan sa harap eh.
Natin today is you guys being aware of the space sa end zone kapag tumatakbo kayo and you're scrambling. Let's say it's a 2-point conversion or second touch or kahit dun sa 7 seconds, diba? Let's say first 3 to 4 seconds dapat nabitaw na yung QB yung bola. After that, scramble. Tama? So, the moment that happens, let's say you're coming from here. Napapansin ko lagi is that you just run wherever. Most of you guys, not everyone. Most of you guys just run wherever. You don't look at the space, you don't look at the people in front of you. So, in order to be aware what this drill na gagawin natin, here you're gonna run, looking at the quarterback, balik, tingin kayo sa space, balik. Yes, the quarterback can throw whenever he wants. Got it? Anong gagawin ng tatlo na tayo? Ano yung marker? So, simple in traffic. Yes. Gets ba? So, ang titignan dito yung mata nyo. Go!
Swish!
Swish! Swish!
Pero, dati kayo dito ngayon. Ready? Let's go!
Next. So yun, just for you guys to be aware of the space. Now this time, we're gonna come from the right side. Si QB, I'm gonna point kung saan sa scramble. Magpo-point lang ako ng pagpo-point, ibig sabihin si QB mag-scramble na mag-scramble. So you, if tumitingin ka sa QB, at bigla siyang nag-change direction, anong gagawin mo? Okay? Regardless kung paano yung follow. Regardless. Pag binaba ko yung kamay ko, throw. React. Okay? Kayo, receivers, ready.
Oh, wait lang.
Kaya nga eh. 2 weeks ka na lang. Ano yan? Papaya, paghaluhaluin, paghaluhaluin,
Salan. Salan.
Huwag kayong mauna sa QB. Sabayan nyo lang.
Nasa QB nag-react.
Oo. Ready. Ha?
Para may nag-react sa
Oo, huwag kayo tumingin sa kamay ko. Sa QB. Kasi wala naman ako sa big. Diba? So, ang purpose nito, siyempre, sumunod kayo dun sa QB para meron yung ano. Okay? Dapat.
3. There you go.
To be running at the same time with it. Sabayan mo siya. Kasi, kailangan ka niya. Pag inunahan mo siya, diba? May iba ng mga receivers eh.
So, shouldn't go back to it.
Yeah, go. Make sure you
Uy! Whoa!
Let's go, Rico, my boy!
Film study mid-training.
May training. Kala mabagal yung wifi.
Sorry, gawa na.
Mamaya. Oh shit. At that weight, oh my god, it looks like me. Gago, hindi at that weight yan, batak yan. Kaya nga, I mean...
Start sa akin before na ano eh. Mga nearly 2 weeks ako bago ng ano ko.
Seryoso? Ever since nung...
COVID like, yung ano, yung wala ako ng practice, yung huli na miss ko. Hindi ko kaya pilitin talaga.
Philippine
So,
team.
pinapasok for 2 weeks.
Nag-antibiotics ka agad doon?
Study.
Pinag-antiviral ako kaya yun.
Film view.
Try mo avoid yung antiviral kasi sobrang sakit.
Box around. Play hard, you beat them. Okay? Treat this like a game. Alright? The competition is in 2 weeks. We have to be ready. Got it? Go, bring it in. Work on 3. 1, 2, 3! Work! What we are trying to do is throw cover 2. Tapos biglang yung isang safety mo. Throw sakit. Yun yung tinurusan niyo.
Gagana lang yun kasi pag alam natin na threat yung dalawa.
Yung butas lagi sa
Oh, kaya pag
Pero pag wala, let's just say wala siya. Tsaka ano yung kapatid. Gabi o nga.
vlog.
Let's go.
No race for Gabby.
December.
What cup?
8-hour race. Endurance.
Endurance.
Nice one, Daya!
Perfect ba mga paso mo?
Hindi na ako makaikot pero mag-open na si Roy kasi parang yun.
Dubai at kabayan ng handshake sa bawat magulang. Playbook natin yan, tapos iiwan nyo kung saan-saan, diba? Suot nyo. Kasi papasuot ko yun sa tournament. Hindi kayo sanay, hirap kayo sa tournament. Anyway, okay. Guys, playbook. Okay. Please study the playbook. Offense, defense. Lagi ko din galing yung rescue. Walang wala. So, yung mga walang, yung mga walang ganito, sabi kayo para ma-present kayo. Alright? So, anything else, yun lang. Once we start on November sa season ng guys, girls, balik tayo, back to zero tayo. Prep tayo for next year's Asia Club. So, tapos na ang tournament yun nun. Pakita na kayo, please. Saki, okay ka na rin. Marami yung babalik. So, I'm expecting the girls to be back. Anyway, yun lang. Girls, I asked Mara to recruit some more people since we need more girls. So, i-rebuild natin yung girls team to make sure that we come back strong next year. Okay, so let's train hard ha, starting November. Go, sige rin.
Tapos, wait, ano lang ako para sa okay na, wait lang. Birthday ni Joseph bukas, 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Pagod ng chips. Tanggal mas. Blow.
Balik mas. Balik.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Tapos kunyari may cake doon.
Edit.
Okay. Yo, Sonic 3.
1, 2, 3, Sonics!